In front of me is Apple iPhone 12, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then find and select General. Now go to Reset Options, and from the following list just pick Reset Network Settings. Right here, mark it, and then confirm that you would like to remove all network settings by tapping on Reset Network Settings. Wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. Network values has been restored to their defaults, and now you can smoothly set it up from scratch. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.